wanted to make a quick video where I could kind of show you when I'm clicking on with my mouse, clicking off with my mouse, and hopefully it will capture my other, I'll tell you when I'm holding down the Option key and when I'm letting up on the Option key to show you how to use that pen tool, because I know it can be a little bit confusing when you first start using it. So I know there's kind of lot going on the screen right now, but like I said, I wanted to try to show you clicking the mouse, laying up on the mouse, clicking the mouse, laying up on the mouse. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to zoom in. And we'll do this one first. So I'm going to go over to the pen tool. One of the things that I want to let you know with the pen tool is when you finished your last click of the pen tool, you either need to hit the letter V or you need to manually go up to the black arrow to end the pen tool. Otherwise, it'll just keep clicking all over your screen. So I just wanted to bring that up. So for the first one, we're going to click, we're going to hold Shift and pull up, let go. Go down over to here, click, and drag to here, release. Go over to here, click, drag to here, and release. Actually, I'm going to turn that off. And then click, drag to here, and release. And like I said, we're going to manually go up to the black arrow and let go and click off. So that is how we set this one up. Let's go to one that's a little bit harder. So I'm going to go back to my pen tool. I'm going to click, drag to here, release, click, drag to here and release. Now I need to go to the Option tool and grab that green button and bring it to here. And then go over to here, click, release, hold down my Option key, click again, bring it up to here, click here, release, hold down my Option key, drag that up to here, click here, and release. And go over to the black arrow tool or hit the letter V. Now this one is definitely the hardest. So for this one, my best advice is to try to clear everything else off of your screen and get the whole picture into the screen right here, so you can see every single number. And unfortunately, the easiest way, if there is an easy way to do this one, would be to do it as quickly as possible. So in order to do it as quickly as possible, you need to know the steps that you're going to have to do almost before you do them. So we're going to click here, and we're going to drag to here. Then we're going to click here. And what we're trying to do is we're following the outside of this path right here and following then the inside back around. So let's go to the pen tool. We're going to click, drag, release. Click, drag to here and release. Option, drag to here and release. Click, drag to here and release. Option, bring this point down to here and then to here. Release. Here's number 11. Click, drag and release. Bring that down to here, click, drag, and this is the one that's always kind of a pain. Sometimes doesn't do what you want it to do, so sometimes you have to click, make sure that your original one is still where it's supposed to be. And then manually go over, bring this guy back. Whoops. Like I said, this one's tough. Sometimes you have to do it more than once. Click, 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 and release. Bring this one down. 14. Press and hold the Option key and click on the anchor point. Close this one up. Oh. Like that. There we go. And then you can close it. You can flip it from the border to the fill color, and you can see how it made that shape. All right, so let's do this one next. And again, another kind of hard one. So click to here and release. Click to here and release. Oops. Then I'm going to grab this and bring it over and click. This is where a lot of people have some trouble. So the way I do this one is I almost go straight to number 8 and start to bring it down. And then hit right here, bring this one down, bring that one back up, click right here, and bring number 6 back down. And then you have to kind of click and hold right here and go over to here, click right here. With the Option key, go to right here and kind of start to pull that one up. Bring this one back over to be straight. Bring that one up. And yes, I do sit like 2 inches off of the screen when I'm doing this. And fix that one. And kind of go back through. So again, you have to have a feel for where your mouse needs to be, and when you're clicking and when you're releasing and when you're holding down Shift. You can, or holding down Option. You can tell when I am holding down Option because it goes from being the pen tool to being that upside down kind of V. So click here. Click and release, drag over to here, pull that down, click and drag here, bring it over to here, click, click and drag, bring that one up, and fix it again right there. So that went a little bit smoother that time. Let's try this one. Whoops. Oh, see what I mean if you don't hit the letter V or go back up to the black arrow key? So again, click, drag, gonna hold down my Option key, bring it down to there, click, drag, click, whoops, hold down my Option key, drag, click, and there we go, and release. And I think, honestly, out of all of them, I sometimes think making circles is the hardest thing. So, click, pull to here, click, pull to here, click, pull to here, click, pull to here. And you can tell that you're finishing when it goes from being the pen to being that pen with the little circle over at the end. So click, just pull until you can see that the left side is right centered in the middle of that area. Now let's go back over to our star. So we kind of went in a backwards order, but I felt like, some people were having more trouble, with using the option key and everything else. And the only thing that I can say is, as far as the pen tool, it's just getting used to the pen tool, getting a feel for the pen tool. It doesn't happen overnight. So click, 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 click. Whoops. I don't know how that happened. Click, 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 and click. And there you go. Hope that was helpful.